there is a condition which is given. There is a function, real valued function or a real function, wherein the condition satisfied is f of x plus y, f of x plus y, it is equal to f of x plus f of y. This is the condition which is given to me. Okay. Also, I am given with one more condition, that f of 1 is equal to 7. Okay. Now, I need to find the value of this one, summation r running from 1 to n, f of r is to be found. This is what my problem. And what is the meaning of this summation here? You can easily say that the summation of this example is nothing but it is the expansion in the form of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 etc. up to f of n. Now that is to be calculated. Okay. So I need to calculate this expression. I know the value of f of 1. F of 1 is given to be 7. This is given to be 7. How to get f of 2, f of 3, f of 4? That can be obtained from this expression. I want to get f of 1 plus 1. What is that? F of 2. I can write f of 2 as f of 1 plus 1. According to this function, it is f of 1 plus f of 1. And I can write this one as 2 times 7. I want to get f of 3. See, it is very simple to find out. F of 3 can be written as f of 2 plus 1. And f of 2 plus 1 can be written as f of 2 plus f of 1. According to this. So, f of 2 is 2 into 7. 2 into 7 plus 7. So, I can write this in the form of 3 into 7. Observe the pattern, and that continues. F of 4 will be what? 4 into 7. F of 5 is 5 into 7. And similarly, f of n becomes what? It is n into 7. This observation is very important. Once you observe that, I can substitute all of them here. It is 7 plus 2 into 7 plus 3 into 7, and that goes on up to what? The last term is n into 7. And if you take out 7 as common factor, what is left out inside? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to n. And we already know about this one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. n is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by this one. So, I want to get the answer in the form of this. 7 into n plus 1 divided by 2. So, I can get this as the answer for this example. See, it's very simple to find out this expression. Only thing is the summation expansion must be known, and how to make use of the given expression here, this one. This expression has to be utilized properly to find the corresponding values. So that is what the way in which we can solve this particular problem.